Semi-open design plus premium material plus Apple remote. Top reviews from the United States. Hey, that's pretty good. I am new to headphones. Sort of. These are better than my Grado Senior 60E. These are better than my superlux 668B. These are about even with my SHP 9500, but I like the signature of these more. They are far clearer than Sennheiser Urbanite XL. I haven't been able to compare with much else as of yet. They are warm, detailed, and work for both home and away listen. Isolation is very good and leakage is not as much as a fully open headphone, but present. Soundstage and imaging are pretty good, though the SHP are a little better in that regard. I like them. I like to listen to things with them. An excellent sounding headphones. The sound quality is exceptional for classical, jazz and vocals. My only gripe is that the ear cushions are not large and plush enough to make 2 straight hours of listening comfortable. This sounds better than my Beyerdynamic Custom One Pro, but the latter is more comfortable.